Hello my lovelies and welcome back to my channel. I hope you are all doing well. This is Leanne from Resin Creations and today I am going to show you how I made these floral goddess resin geode coasters. So here I have premixed already my resin and I'm gonna pour these coasters in few layers, and the first layer is going to be the base color and I chose color gold. So I am using this beautiful gold from Just For You Online UK, and I'm adding quite a bit because I am going for opaque look, and I mix it very well. And here you can see me, I'm checking on the side how opaque is the resin, and I thought I'm gonna add just a little tiny more. So I'm happy with the color now, and it's just a simple task to pour this resin in 4 equal amounts. And this mold is from Molds and Shapes, and I am absolutely in love with it. So my lovelies, how you are all feeling? It's nearly Christmas time. Are you ready for it? Do you have a Christmas mood despite the COVID going around? Do you have snow, or it's nice and warm where you are from? Please let me know and we can talk about it. Okay, after I pour the resin, I'm just showing you here straight away that I plan to make some swirls. So the background it's not so bland, because as you can see, when you make swirls in mica pigment, you get this kind of textured pattern, but you need to do it when the resin is about to go hard, otherwise it's gonna just disappear. So after I left the resin to cure, and this is the next day, and now the next step is to draw my goddess face, and I gonna be doing it. As you can see, I made a stencil and I will be using outliner for it. Of course, if you have a Cricut machine, you can skip this part and design this little face in the machine and then print it out and just use a sticker and stick it on. But as I don't have one yet, fingers crossed, next Christmas I might purchase one. Until then, I need to use different methods. And yes, this is how I am doing this time. So here I am just putting down some basic lines so I know where to apply my face with outliner after. So if you are enjoying this video, please click a like, and if you like videos about resin, consider to subscribe. Thank you. And this is the Pebeo outliner that I am using to mark the face. I am quite new to work with this kind of product, so it does take some time to get used to multitasking, you can say, by pressing and drawing at the same time. Because of course, if you don't press, no material will come out. And if you make mistake, just take a Q-tip or a little tissue and wipe it off. So here I have sped up quite a bit. So I done 2 coasters and now it's 2 left. So basically here is a bit background why I decided to make these coasters, and it's basically I cleaned my drawers and I found some flowers that I dried and pressed this summer and autumn, and I thought it's been a while that I have made something using dried flowers, and I have liked this design as well for a while, but I never really thought that I can make it without Cricut machine, or I would need to buy off somebody these stickers. But with this outliner, everything came together, and yes, I managed without problems to make coasters with these designs. And this is the next day. Here are my flowers that I chose for the hair of my goddesses, and I mixed a little bit of resin. I call this resin glue, and yeah, I'm applying a bit so the flowers is gonna stick and stay on it. So I'm gonna put some music in background and let you enjoy the process. So I decided to show you just two because they basically are all the same, and this video is already about 14 minutes, so I didn't want to make it too long. And here I am just finishing with the finishing flowers, and then I will leave them and let them to cure. And then I am going to come back next day and apply one last clear coat so everything is sealed in. Oh, and I just forgot to mention one thing, that after making the face contour with outliner, I let it dry and become hard for about 2 to 4 hours. So now they are all done and dry and cure and ready to come out. And let's see how they turn out. And I must say, I am very pleased and I'm very happy and I'm very proud. And the top coat came out very beautifully. So just here I had a little bit of dilemma. Maybe you can let know, what do you think? Should I paint the edges gold or leave it like this? So at the moment I just left them simple. And here is another opportunity to see how they came out. So if you found this video useful and entertaining, please let me know by leaving comment down below. But for now, I'm saying goodbye. Until next time, keep creating. Bye!